If you want to make $50,000 a month in 2025, side hustles can be your ticket to financial success. Leverage digital tools to create consistent income streams. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting high-ticket products. Focus on items that offer large commissions per sale to scale your income. To start, find affiliate programs for valuable items, promote through various channels, and consider using paid ads. Creating and selling online courses capitalizes on the thriving online education market. Share your expertise and market through social media and webinars. Start by selecting a topic with a large audience and create courses on platforms like Teachable or Udemy. Dropshipping allows you to sell without inventory. Focus on high-margin products to hit your $50K a month goal. Research profitable niches and build an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Freelancing can offer high-income opportunities in consulting, writing, or design. Build a strong portfolio and join freelance platforms. If you have social media management skills, offer services to businesses and create engaging content. Real estate investing can be lucrative through property flipping or rentals. Research local markets and consider options like REITs. Content creation can be profitable through a niche blog or YouTube channel. Monetize through ads and affiliate marketing. Engage your audience with quality content and use monetization strategies like Google AdSense. With print on demand, design custom products without holding inventory. Choose a platform like Printful to get started. Learn the basics of trading stocks or cryptocurrency, though it involves risks. Use platforms like Robinhood to begin. Creating subscription boxes can generate steady income. Curate products and market through social media. Achieving $50K a month in 2025 is possible with scalable, high-income opportunities. Stay consistent and leverage digital tools.